Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. Just going to show you how to put a serpentine belt on a Chevy with the 3400 engine. This could be in the Impala, maybe it's in an Uplander, or possibly some other units. Let's take a look. I'm sorry, hard to get really good angles, not much room there, but you should be able to understand how I'm putting it on. We'll take a look at the belt here. Now, the tensioner is right here. First of all, if you're planning on reusing the belt, I would mark the orientation of which way it's sitting. Just because it'll stop squeaks and all sorts of funny sounds if you reuse it. But if you're just putting a new one on, you need a 3/8 swivel head ratchet. Regular ratchet might fit too if there's enough room, but I've got the swivel head, so a little easier to use, the handle. You're going to want to pry up with it. It's going to take a fair bit of might. You're going to have to go just about as far as you can, and wherever you want to take the belt off. Got to watch my fingers, I don't get them pinched in there. And then slowly release the ratchet handle. Then it should just come out. I'll show you the orientation of which way the belt goes around which pulleys here in a minute. There should also be a shield on most of these engines that show you where the belt goes around what. So I've got it off. We're going to put another one back on. I'm going to put the old one back on because I did some work on it. And that's why I wanted to know which way the belt was on in the first place, which side was pointing out, which side was pointing in. I put in the top right-hand corner which way the belt's supposed to go around what. You'll see here in the right-hand corner it's blinking now. There is a shield on this one that shows you the orientation. What gets looped around what. Now I've got the belt sitting on the alternator pulley right now, but I'm going to take it off. I just had it sitting there just to hold the belt up. So I'm going to try and get it to sit. Trying to loop it around the crank pulley or harmonic balancer, then around the tensioner. I've got it around the other pulleys, water pump, and the air conditioner. So I'm going to try and loosen the tensioner and get it to sit onto the alternator. You have to pull pretty hard. It's tight. Now I notice here on this bottom pulley here for my air conditioner that the belt is actually too close to the engine by I don't know, 1/8 of an inch. It's got grooves in the belt and it's got grooves in the pulley. So I want them all to line up. So I just have to pull the belt away just a little bit. You'll actually hear it go boing in a second here. Still not where I want it to be. Just gonna give it a little tug. Same with the crank. Here, you'll hear it right here. It's gonna snap this. There you go. So I'm gonna feel underneath to make sure it's around the pulley properly. And the same with the crank. I want to make sure that belt is centered with all these pulleys. Otherwise it'll chew the belt up or it'll just run in the wrong spot. And as you see, I had marked it where I wanted the old belt, which way I wanted it facing. Just so it was the same as last time. So that's it, the belt on. If you are reusing the belt for some reason, maybe you're changing the alternator or water pump, it is good to mark which way the belt was on before, so that you don't get any special squeaks and wondering where they came from. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. You can subscribe down in the corner as well. I'll put also a link up right here, the big bubble just above it, to more videos on this car. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying thanks for watching. Please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.